Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another wonderful video. I am fidgetingly fantastic. Alright, I guess I'm different. I say that every time because everything is different, as it may be. We're back with another video, and we haven't done these for a while, so we're doing a nice little unboxing. But we're going to take a look at the Woolworths Bricks Farm. We've got some of the farm animal sets here, and we've got a few of these bad boys right here. You can't really see it because of the green screen. We've got a couple of these bags we're going to go through and open up and have a look what we've got inside. This is one here. We can always leave that for last anyway. We can come back and have a look at that. I am curious to see what we've got inside these little baggies of goodness. So these currently ages 5 and up. The Woolworths Bricks Farm. Bricks made from 100% recycled material. You gotta love the old, 100% recycled material. Choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years. I mean, kind of makes sense when it's ages 5 and up. This is a preset animal set. It has your doggy, good old doggo. You've got a calf, you've got the mummy cow, the moo cow, you've got a kitty cat, you've got a chicken with some eggs, you've got brown eggs and white eggs, you've got a pig with a little piglet sitting there. It's not bad, looks pretty good overall. So, the Gecko certified. So we're going to crack on into these things and have a look. So we'll go open this first one up here. Dive on in, shall we? Rip this bad boy open. There's about 40 of these things to collect. What have we got here? We got some, is it broccoli? We got some broccoli. So what's that? Just goes there like that. Oh, if it goes on, does it go? It can go in the middle. That there. And that one right there. Oh, get on in there, mate. Look at that. Look at that little bit of broccoli. Everyone loves a little bit of broccoli. It's a flower of broccoli. 2 flowers of broccoli. Put these bad boys in here like that. Hopefully you enjoy this video as we go through these. And remember, while we're sitting here, pondering life and opening up these knockoff Lego bricks from Woolworths, that we're all having a wonderful time. We've got another one here. And yeah, remember while we're pondering to click that like and subscribe as always. If you're liking this content, we can always do more of these. I'm not too sure if I'm planning to do more of these because it's a bit tricky to kind of get a few of these items. We got old mate here. We got Farmer Joe. We got Farmer Joe over here. Get these things out the way. Don't need that. There's he's looking a bit scary there. Look at that. Oh, he's coming at you. Maybe he could just, take over my position. He could just sit there instead. But yes, so we need to click some of these things together. Together! We put them together. That arm there. And that arm there. At least Lego bricks come connected together. Look at him with his little hat on. Looking fantastic. This is Farmer Joe Brown. Carmichael White. Farmer Joe Mama. You got to put the stickers on yourself as well to give him his uniform. The little stickers. I don't know if the stickers are made from recycled materials. Everything else is, but it says 100% recycled materials. I'm assuming the stickers are. What about the glue on the stickers? Is that recycled material as well? That little bloke there, he's over here with his broccoli. Get a little broccoli. Here's another one here. Get on into. Oh, what do we got here? We got some. Is this some hay? Is it some hay or something? No. What is this? A flower pot? It's a beehive! Hell yeah! That's what I've always wanted. Stack these bad boys on top of each other. Little boxes, little crates. We stack that on top there like that. We can put it there like that. Look at that! Look at that little beehive. We've got to get these stickers and we've got to put them on there ourselves. So make sure you know it's the Woolworths beehive. It's not anyone else's. Not to be confused with a Coles beehive. Just so you know. Those Coles beehives are red and white. What the hell? What the hell? Oh no! So wrap that around the side. Oh, we might as well just do that without that on there. Let's just take that off. And you connect that to that. Well, I mean, what's the point? I might have to get a blade out and cut those. Once it's done, I can cut it so I can separate them. Because, like, what's the point of having two hollow bricks stacked on top of each other if a sticker's going to fully cover it up? I don't get it. Don't ask me. I don't work for Woolworths anymore. Used to. But that's a story for another day, if you just want to hear that. Why I don't work for Woolworths anymore. Let us know down below if you want to hear that story. It's pretty boring. Really isn't that interesting. But I do have stories to tell anyway. So that's the beehive. Still got a couple of these to go through. I ain't gonna make you come back for a part 2. It's all in the one part. It's just going to be really extremely long and boring. Boring. Oh my god, I thought it was a basket full of heads. It's potatoes! Boil them, mash them, put them in a stew. Fresh potatoes. There's little potatoes there. They look like little bread rolls. So put that across there like that. Where are you? Potatoes. Boil them, mash them, put them in a stew. One for me and one for you. Boil them, mash them, put them in a stew. All these stickers you gotta put on this crap. It's a bit of a pain in the ass. So Woolworths had done these before. And they were released as the store itself, the Woolworths store. I'm sure we've uploaded that video. If it is, this video will link to that one, and that one will link to this one, if it is up. Otherwise, I've recorded it and didn't bother uploading it because it was complete garbage. So, if it's not there, and you try looking for it, the reason why it's not there is because it's garbage. If it is there, it was semi-decent content, and I thought, hey, let's do that. Let's chuck the potatoes back in there. I was going to try and push them down, but I can't be bothered. We've got little potatoes in the cart. Only got a couple of these left, so you don't have to feel tortured by this video any longer. I imagine you've skipped through. And if you skip to this point in time and oh, it's a cow! Well, that was easy. You can fuck that right off. Do apologise myself. Gotten to the, oh, look at that. It's another goddamn beehive. Again, we don't need that. We can get that out of there. We can come back to that one. Yeah, so if I've dragged this out and you come to this point... Oh, look! It's Farmer Joe Brown again! It's his brother! Joe White. Ow! Joe and Mama. It's the Joe brothers. It's Jojo and Frank Joe. Well, they're farmers, not plumbers. So plumbers, we have the Mario brothers, and this is the Joe brothers. Can I make his head look like it shrinks? Head come off. And then he got hit by a shrink ray. Oh no! Oh god! Oh no! The head shrunk. Oh, my head's so tiny, it's shrunk. Oh. Plant him in the ground. Do 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 do. Wait, oh, it's stuck on there. Oh, that's his head now. Oh, he's gone. Bye. No need to put this. Just put the head in there. Oh my god, what's in the box? It's Joe's head. Is it Joe? Joe, Mama! Ha 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 ha. We can make another beehive anyway. Put that on top of there. Smack bang. And then magic. Oh look, here's the one that's done. I did it. Looks fantastic. Don't need a... Perfect. Where's he going? Anyway, I think that's what it was. We're going to get into this one anyway. As you can clearly see, I'm majorly enthusiastic by these things. Oh, look at that. It's got a little rip tag. This tear here, this is the La Pista Resistance. Oh. Anyway. That was Clamacadicto. Oh, it comes in a bag. The bag better be... Well, cardboard. Seems pretty reasonable. Got a little brochure to learn more about Woolworths Specs Farms. With that, blah, 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 blah. There's a QR code. No one really cares. I got 2 chickens, 2 clucks. Like I said, hopefully the bag's recycled. Feels kind of like it might be. I didn't read the bag. Who cares what the bag says? Look at these animals. We got 2 clucks. Oh, don't run away, cluck. Or whatever the cluck's doing. These things are slippery as hell. There's some eggs. There's the doggo. We'll call it Spot. There's the cat. This is Garfield. Garfield's wherever Garfield is. We've got a couple of cows now. And then there's... Anyway. And there's the pig. It's Papa Pig and Mummy Pig. Where's Brother George Pig? Where's Brother George? Who knows? Oh no, my eggs! My eggs are falling on the ground! Crap, where'd the egg go? Oh, it's over here. Oh, I can't pick them up. They're slippery. Anyway, there's the eggs. That has been the... Oh, I threw the box on the floor. The Woolworth. Whatever the hell it is. You heard me say it like several times in the video. That's been the Woolworths Bricks Farms Bricks Woolworths unboxing of whatever this is. So much paper. Going about being recycled, but how much paper is there? Do you really need this much rubbish? Like, you make it more rubbish than... Oh, it's rubbish. As there is, like, it's junk. Anyway. Thanks for coming by and checking out this video. I do apologise for wasting your time. Did I waste your time? Let me know down below in the comments if I did. Or if I didn't. Otherwise, if you want to check out the channel, we've got other content on the channel anyway. Hopefully you enjoy. We've got a mouse and stuff. And me. Gotcha. Anyway. Have a good one. Oh, and stay pickled, everybody. Bye-bye.